Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today we're just going to be playing around more with watercolor and stamps, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is lay down some of this Schmincke Desert Orange, because I've been loving it lately. Let's give it a spritz of water, get it moving around. I'm going to come in with the color shaper a little bit. Oops. Just play around with it, get it moving. Add a little bit more in there. We might need a different color down there. I'm gonna come in with the Payne's Gray mixed with this indigo in the Derwent palette that I'm using today. Been using that for a while. I'm kind of grooving on it. And we're just making, I don't know what we're making. We're making lines, we're making colors, we're making shapes. My goal for this is that I want to see how simple I can make things. So I have some ideas about that. Let's add a bit more of, or some of this port. I love this brush, by the way. This is a good investment. This is the, oh God, I forgot what they call it. Cat's tongue is what it's called. I'm gonna spray a little bit more water in there just to kind of get it moving. Take some of that away. Ooh, I like those marks right there. Those are fun. Let's add in some of this, a little bit of this orange color through here. See what happens when we add that over what we've already got going on. I don't think I'm going to use any aqua pasto today. We're going to skip that. I like that. So I've rolled out some acrylic black paint. This is the Amsterdam Oxide Black. I'm just going to ink up the stamp real quick. We're just going to put it through here. I think right there. Just press it down. Well, that's fun. Let's continue. Move this out of the way. I just want this little bit right there. Ooh, it's fun. Let's do another little bit right there. It's kind of nice little ghost print we got going on there. Got this little guy too that we're gonna try out. Let's just, I think I just want to do it like a little tension through there. Maybe we could, oh, that's not gonna work. That's gonna make it move. Okay, it moved a little bit. That's all right. I don't mind it. Do I want to bring it down even more? Maybe want to do like a ghosty up there. I kind of like these little ghost prints. They kind of add some texture to it without it being overbearing. Okay, I'm going to come in with this Lyra ochre color. Just going to make some marks through here. I'm going to come back in with a brush, I think, and brush that out a little bit. I'm going to get out an acrylic brush. I don't want this in my watercolor brush. I'm just going to drag some of that down. Let's go in with a little bit more wet. Let's add in a bit of this is the gold ochre. I'm just so proud of me I said it right, so people can stop commenting, please. Please stop commenting about my pronunciation and my sad little Midwestern accent. Okay. All right. Okay, so I've dried this a little bit. It's a little damp still. And the reason why I'm going to try, yesterday I had some good success with doing this with a little bit of a damp paper. And today, not so much. Let's make some more marks through here. I was using a different paper, so maybe that makes a difference. I was using one of my printmaking scraps that I had. I was just kind of playing around. This is kind of what I wanted to happen. Oh, that was good. Okay, I'm going to make these marks come up through here. I like that. Let's get out our other tool. I'm going to do the end of the brush here. See how bold we can get. That did anything? Kind of did something. Okay, I'm going to add some more blue through here. Dry brush watercolor. It's feeling very literal to me. I actually don't like it at all. Okay, I took the tape off. I don't like this orange color that much through here, so I'm going to come in with some acrylic unbleached titanium. It's just too much. I don't like it. Where's my color shaper? It was just a lot of that orange color, and I didn't really like it. So when you don't like something, just cover it up. Okay, I've got this little tree sort of texture stamp. I'm just going to put in some texture through here. Better. Not perfect yet. And let's come in with some black carbon paper. Oh, I need to get a new piece. I don't know. I'm going to add some more orange through here. Okay. So here it is with the mat. I think I'm just done looking at this one. It's not my favorite. I don't know what it needs. Like, I don't know. It's just not working for me today. I don't know what's going on. I mean, there are some spots that I like. I think this stuff has promise. But overall, I think it's not my best work. But that's okay. Sometimes we fail. Sometimes everything doesn't come out the way we want it to. And I might add some more to it later, but I need to stop looking at it right now. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.